Imagine you're still a student, but you've already made your first $10,000. No degree, no full-time job, just smart moves. In this video, I'll show you 10 proven ways you can earn $10,000 while studying. Real methods students use right now across the world. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal the smartest low-effort method that can make you passive income, even while you're in class. Hey everyone, welcome back to Profit Pathways, where we turn simple ideas into real income. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss your next big opportunity. Number 10, freelancing. Whether you're good at writing, editing, design, or even voiceovers, platforms like Fiverr or Upwork let you start earning immediately. Set up your profile, offer small gigs, and slowly raise your prices. Many students hit $1,000 a month just from side gigs. Number 9, print on demand. If you're creative, design t-shirts or mugs using Canva and sell them through Redbubble or Etsy. You don't need inventory or shipping. You only create designs. Number 8, YouTube automation. No need to show your face. You can build cash cow channels using stock footage and AI voiceovers. Once your videos start getting views, monetization can bring you hundreds every month. Number 7, online tutoring. If you're great at math, English, or science, you can teach others through sites like Preply or TutorMe. Students pay up to $30 an hour. Number 6, social media management. Manage Instagram or TikTok pages for small businesses. Offer to create posts, reply to messages, and run simple ads. Number 5, dropshipping. Build an online store, sell trending items, and ship directly from suppliers. You don't need to hold stock, just find winning products and market them. Start small, test ads with $50, and scale what works. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Promote other companies' products and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Amazon, ClickBank, and Impact are great places to start. You can create TikToks, YouTube Shorts, or blogs reviewing products. Number 3, selling digital products. Create ebooks, templates, or Notion planners and sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. Once uploaded, they sell again and again. This is passive income. Number 2, becoming a virtual assistant. Help entrepreneurs manage emails, research, or schedules. You don't need special skills. Number 1, start a study blog or TikTok page. Share your study journey, productivity hacks, or day-in-the-life content. Build an audience, and soon you'll get sponsorships or affiliate offers. If you learned something new, hit subscribe and comment, "I'm starting today."